In this video, we're going to use models to complete equivalent fraction sentences. So if we have a problem like this that says use models to complete the equivalent fraction sentence, we could see here in this model that 1 out of 3 is filled in. So we know that this is representing 1/3, 1 over 3. It's cut into 3 parts, so the denominator is 3. And the filled in piece is 1, so the numerator is 1. So we could see here that we have boxes that are the exact same size as this one, but they're cut up into different pieces. So what we want to do is figure out what will be exactly equivalent to this using each of the different boxes. So the way to do that is to fill in, and let's fill them in. Let's use blue, a darker blue. So for this one, you can see that if we fill this in and this one, it would be equivalent to this whole piece, right? So we filled in 2 out of the 6. There's 6 here. So that means in the denominator, we can put a 6. And in the numerator, we put a 2. Then for this one, we could see that if we fill in these 3 here, it would be equivalent to filling in this one here, or equivalent to filling in these 2 here. So we would have here, we have how many squares? 3, 6, 9. So 9 is our denominator, and then 3 is our numerator. That's how many you need to fill in to be equivalent to this one. Then for this one, it's the same. We would have to fill in these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do that for it to be equivalent to the 1/3. Okay, so let's count how many squares we have. We have 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12 goes in the denominator. And we filled in 4 squares to make it equivalent to this one. So we put 4 here. And that's how equivalent fractions look. So what it really means is you take your basic unit fraction and you multiply it by different factors to get the different equivalent fractions. So for this one, you just multiply the top and the bottom by 2, right? 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6. For this one, you multiply the top and bottom by 3. 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. For this one, you multiply this, the top and bottom, by 4. 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 4 is 12. And that's how you do equivalent fractions. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, you could just rewatch the video. I also have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this if you need some extra practice.